everyone and welcome to today's vlog. I hope you're all okay. So today just want to put Ben's medication into the chemist. I've definitely made sure it's going to the right pharmacy this time because obviously we changed, because I don't do regular financial travel now. The last couple of months we've had loads and loads of problems trying to get Ben's medication. They've been offering us a different one, or they said they couldn't get it, or etc, or basically we actually ran out of one of his medications just before we got one of his lot back in. But yeah, so hopefully, fingers crossed, it's settled back up there, because this new pharmacy, because they're an independent one, they said yeah, we can get any form of medication in, which is great, because Ben's really sensitive to brand changes. The slightest change in his medication and that's it, we know about it all. I know once they've done that with his Epilim, because he's on Epilim syrup at the minute, and they changed it to liquid. We did question it, but they said no, it's absolutely fine, there's nothing wrong with it, it's just all the same. But no, sadly it made his seizures worse. He ended up having more of what they were frequently. So when he spoke to his paediatrician, he said no, make sure he has the same brand each time, and it's always written all in his notes as well, so that's not too bad. But yeah, so apart from that, today got a few jobs to get done in the house. I've still got the dishwasher to do, a bit of washing to get done as well. I do love my new washing machine, it's really great. It's amazing how much quicker it washes everything as well. So Stephen was saying, hey, does that mean now with your new washing machine you won't have no washing to catch up on? I said, no, probably not. Only thing is a big issue getting it dry, but once summer comes again, I can get back outside. And obviously I want to change the sheets. Sam said to me this morning, Mummy, can you change my bed sheets for me? I said, yeah, of course I can. So he said he doesn't care what it is, as long as I change it. But bless him, we have actually been trying to teach him to change his own bed sheets. He obviously can put the sheet on himself, and he can put the first bit of the duvet in, but then he gets a bit higgledy-piggledy with it, bless him, so you're going to do that. But while I'm there, I might change all the bed sheets and as well. Yeah, and I think it's going to be this day then, we're just going to go with the flow. Obviously, we've got another fireworks display tonight. The local school, actually not across the road, but where they let the fireworks off, we can see them from our house as well, so I might put a few clips of the fireworks in later for you. In Tesco's with Mum, we decided to drive down because it's sipping down the road now, isn't it? Just looking at these Christmas trees, look, 6'5" tree, 45 quid.
Yeah, they were 55.
Yeah, that's a club car price, isn't it? It's 45 quid. Yeah, look at these crackers. I always love looking at crackers, see what they've got in the back. But you know what, this year doing something different, we're making our own crackers.
Oh, that's right.
So each thing is going to have, the present in each is going to be something that person likes, because I can get like a little name tag on them. Well, look over here then, Mum. Look at all these little gifts over here. Ooh, that's pretty cool for £8. Make your own donut baking kit. Includes silicone mould, donut mix, icing mix. Look at that. Make your own. There you go. Something for Christmas. And you've even got make your own hot chocolate bombs kits again for £8.
Oh, this is nice.
What, that Bailey's? Yeah, that's £8. And you look at that hot chocolate Costa thing for £14. So something nice for Dad. Look, isn't it?
Yeah.
Dad would like that, wouldn't he, with the Guinness mugs and the socks? They have a little snowman set for £10. You've got what's he got in there? You've got some a hot chocolate set, little cup, and some socks. You've even got one there for the Grinch as well. Yeah, got some nice little things in there. Look at these little, I don't know, little some name thing, not names, of gold things there. Like these. These are quite nice, aren't they? They really are. And you've got like all the little Secret Santa thing to look. Brussels sprouts jigsaw and stuff, and what's that? Emergency Christmas jumper kit.
Oh yeah, you just put them on a jumper, didn't you, I suppose?
Probably £4. Be right for, like I said, be right for Secret Santa. There you go. This is something Ben might like. Look, these little light up things. A bling pong, whatever that is.
Jellyfish.
I know, they look pretty cool. They do, don't they? Ooh. Just found something Sammy might like. Look, an Xbox mug with some socks. Probably enjoy that. Mum's just looking at this USB vacuum thing. Oh wow, how does that work? A little cube. Sometimes it works on like your computers and stuff. But yeah, quite a little things on here I like. Something Beckham might like Harry Potter. You know, she's like, yeah, she knows she likes that Harry Potter stuff, doesn't she? We've had quite a busy afternoon actually. So yes, I've just hoovered up Sammy's room, changed his bed for him, and I'll put his Toy Story one on for him. He said he wasn't too bothered which one he wanted, to be honest with you. So yeah, so give a good old clean in here. Definitely need to get him a new carpet again soon, because she can see it's starting to fray a little bit, so I get holes in. But we're going to get Sammy's and Ben's on at the same time, because you can see Sammy's room's only a box room. We can use the off bits from Ben's room, can't we, to fit Sammy's? That's pretty good actually, that one is. So yes, it's just in our room also as well. Only thing is, we cannot find the pillowcases, can we? No. What happened to the pillowcases?
I don't know.
We sorted the airing cupboard out, but then we can't find them afterwards.
Yep.
So yes, so Stephen's just hoovering the stairs. Is it working now? Yeah? Yeah. It accused me of blocking the hoover. I only hoovered the rooms up. So give that a good old hoover as well. Again, we're going to obviously get the stairs carpet done as well. So yes, obviously we're going to do it little bit by little bit, aren't we? And stuff like that, because obviously we can't afford to get everything done all at once. As I was saying, yes, carpet in here is going to get replaced in the next couple of weeks, which is again ideal, because we've had this carpet down at least for about 14 years now. So this come with us when we moved house again, but it's left its test of time. As you can see, look, it started to get a bit funny there, so it'd be nice to get a nice carpet from here. And obviously with the wardrobes as well, we'll get some new wardrobes. Seeing those, as soon as he moves these, they're all going to fall apart. So what we're going to do is get some plastic tubs probably Wednesday, sort all the clothes out, put them in there, then wait till we get the carpet fitted. And then when we get the carpet fitted, we could go to IKEA, get some wardrobes. Seen some we like for about £100. They're the triple ones, so they should be ideal for our clothes in there as well. And then finally, as you can see, we just changed Ben's bed for him as well. Hoovered up here along here as well, which is good for him. Again, because all the dust and stuff. I don't know what it is. This room seems to attract loads and loads of dust. I don't know whether we did have an issue with damp as well. Hence that's the reason why we put like a little air filter put in there for. We had a big stain up there where he had a leak, so I think it's all down to that, I do not know. So obviously picked all of his toys up here as well, put back on there, because he gets toys all over the place. Yeah, and obviously he loves his Toy Story, so he'll probably, he absolutely loves his duvet. And when he puts Toy Story on, he snuggles in it like a cocoon. Bless him, obviously put his big roly mo on the bed for him as well. Yeah, he had this ever since he was little. I think he was 6 months old, so yes, it is as old as what Ben is basically. So I don't know if he still works or not, I really do not know. Let's test and see if he does work, does he?
Hello there. Are you sitting comfortably?
Yeah, he does still work. Yeah, so comment down below if you can remember the thimbles, because this is where he's actually from. There's another wait here then until Stephen's done the stairs. Get him doing some work. No, I have to admit they seem to be pretty good around the house actually. We do share the house about 50-50, which I think you should do really. That's it. This is outside before the boys have just come home from school. Sammy's gone straight upstairs. She's took his snacks, his drinks. Did he say hello to you? No. I didn't think so. Hello, did he? Just went straight upstairs into his bedroom to sort him out in a minute. So yeah, so you had a lovely day today at school, ain't you, sweetheart? Eh? Yeah, you've been out and about on your travels. It's been to some solar wind farm or something for science. Apparently he was amazed by how the wind turbines kept going around and stuff. But you really enjoyed your day out, didn't you, sweetheart? Yeah, I'm not going to get much out of him because he's watching Elf. You like Elf, don't you, Ben? Yeah, we just got the 4K Blu-ray today, didn't we? We just upgraded it, so we're just putting it on. What do you reckon to it? The sound's much better on it though, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm not too quite sure what the picture quality is like. I haven't been up to it yet, but I tell you what, Ben, should we give you our Blu-ray version of it, and you can watch it to your heart's content? Yeah? Would you like that? Would you like the Blu-ray version of Elf? Yeah, you can have that, sweetheart. Come on, come on, me up one of them. You can come on, me up one. You want to, mummy? Come on, me up one. Oh, you teaser! Oh, you teaser! Do you see that? I asked, can I have one? You put one in my hand and so held on to it. You diggy, aren't you? Yeah, well, so Mummy gonna let you watch Elf. Mummy let you watch Elf. Hello, Samuel.
Hello, afternoon.
That's better. Come straight in from school, straight upstairs without saying hello to me or to Daddy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Have you noticed anything in your room?
Yeah.
What's that?
The sofa bed.
Right, you asked me to. What else you done to the floor?
Clean the floor.
Clean your floor for you.
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, how was school?
Alright.
All right, yeah.
Yeah.
You do anything nice today?
Yeah.
What have you done then? What's nice?
Been busy.
Been busy. Your teacher hasn't emailed today.
No.
Was it still the same teacher or was it a different teacher today?
Still the same teacher.
Well, she hasn't emailed yet.
No.
So I have to wait for an email probably in a bit. So at least you had a good day then, yeah?
Yeah.
Don't do that. This is a bowl.
Yeah.
So anyway, you looking forward to the fireworks again tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah? About between 6 and 6:15 they're going off, alright.
What fireworks is going to be this time?
Going from the school, isn't it?
Yeah.
So anyway then, Sam, if you want, sweetheart, if you want anything, just let us know, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Need one tablet.
What do you want your tablet for when you got the when you got YouTube on your telly?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, you know what Mum and Daddy got?
What?
We got Elf on 4K.
4K.
Yeah. So we got a Blu-ray game spare.
Yeah. That means we don't need the DVD anymore.
No, what have you got? Have you got Elf?
Yeah.
What have you got yours on?
On DVD.
You got yours on DVD?
Yeah.
So what, let me guess, you'll be after the Blu-ray.
And after the Blu-ray because I want the Blu-ray version.
There's no difference between the Blu-ray to the DVD version, you know that?
Because
What?
I like the different versions.
Different version. You can hear them outside making a noise, can't you, from
Yeah.
Switch Fibre?
Yeah.
Anyway, alright my darling, before we go, what was school dinner?
It was jacket potato today.
Was it? What do you have on yours?
Mummy, what's the school dinner tomorrow?
I don't know, because I keep asking you to bring a menu home, but you don't.
Because I might be busy.
What do you mean, because you might be busy?
Busy doing my other things.
Yeah, it doesn't take 5 minutes to ask for school menu, does it?
Yeah.
I tell you what, Mum sent your teacher an email last week, send home a menu.
Yeah.
That was the easiest thing to do. We're waiting to see those fireworks again. Yeah, you cheeky boy. And you love fireworks. Yeah. How fun. You cheeky boy. Sammy, sweetheart, you can come out and watch the fireworks when they come on.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's the time now? 6:10, so they should be any time now, shouldn't they? Because they was coming on between 6 and 15, wasn't they? Yeah.
Fireworks there. With a song.
What are they playing?
Green, green grass.
Oh, are they? So we can't really hear the music properly, really, can we? Well, yes, then. Oh, yeah, I can't see you. Yeah, are they pretty? Are they pretty fireworks? Yeah. This one. Hey, what's this one? Here's some of them between the houses just there. Look at them, Ben. And they're making pretty buttons. Ready? Whee! I can hear that now, can't you? I have to be careful of the music now for YouTube. Sven, are they pretty? Are they pretty, sweetheart? Look at that one then, Ben. And these ones here, look. Okay, it's fucking a spaceman. Whee! Did it smell on Ben's face? Bless him. Is that it? Is that it? I think that's it, isn't it? I can hear her sharing bad habits now. But not sing, had I? It was all back right over there.
Someone's flying a drone.
Someone flying a drone? I thought they're supposed to fly drones when they run down fireworks and stuff. You can hear it. You can see it going past there, can't you? Whee! Pretty, aren't they, Sammy? Just sitting there open. Is that? Oh no, wait, I don't think. That's it. Are they good then? So have you watched them? They can make a love bang. What's the matter, Ben? He wanted to be a Ben, bless him, but he's absolutely loving these again. Bless him. Woo! sure that's got with the end now, isn't it? Is that the end? I think it must be. Still absolute music though. That's it. The problem is, on this now. I thought that might be the end. The problem is, once you've had fireworks with the smelling, yeah, can't you?
Oh, there's a drone up there.
Oh yeah, I can see the drone. Let's find the drone.
Wave to the drone.
Yeah, wait to the drone. Great display, isn't it? Very good display. Ooh, sure that's good with the end now. That's it, yeah, I think it's the end.
Is that it?
Is that it? I think it is, isn't it? Must be, I think. Yeah, it's got to be, I think. There you go, sweetheart. Did you like them? Did you like those fireworks? Yeah, were they good? Yeah. That's one good thing about living here, actually, where we are. At least you can get a free fireworks display from the comfort of our own nice warm home, can't we? But were they good? Yeah. So get you ready for bed now? Yeah? Get you ready for bed? No? Yeah. Is that what you thought to them? Is that what you thought? Yeah? Yeah, you diggy boy.
Well then guys, Mr. Hairy Chops here. As you can see, I've really got hairy chops, haven't I? Bloody hell.
Told ya.
Yeah, anyway, this will be gone in the next half an hour or so. I'm going to jump in the old TUB, the old tub.
Be careful the water doesn't jump out.
Yeah, I said to Cheryl, maybe I should grow it and have a beard, dye it grey, become like Santa.
So what, isn't it November or something, isn't it? Or something for some cancer charity or something, isn't it?
Yeah. Anyway guys, yeah, another decent quality display again just outside our front door from our local private school, which is just on the opposite side of the street over there. And yeah, really good display again, 15 minutes worth, and I did record a little bit as you saw.
I recorded it.
Yeah, alright, I edited it.
I edited it and I recorded it, yes, that's what it is.
Yeah, so yeah, once again another decent couple of displays from the local Mercedes F Petronas and the local private school. Anyway guys, yeah, that does Monday again. Yeah, as always, like the video, comment down below, hit the subscribe button. See you tomorrow for Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Bye guys.